Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be covering President Trump's announcement of a new federal executive order to establish unified AI regulation across the United States, Meta's acquisition of AI hardware manufacturer Limitless, and Google's latest interface updates to its Gemini web platform. President Trump announced on December 8th that he will be signing an executive order to create a single national standard for AI regulation in the United States. The order is designed to replace the current patchwork of state-level rules that many technology companies have said create significant compliance challenges. The core idea behind the executive order is to establish one clear set of rules for AI development and deployment across America, rather than having companies navigate dozens of different state regulations. Trump stated that, "We need one clear set of rules for AI in America," emphasizing the administration's intention to streamline the regulatory landscape. The move has garnered support from major industry players, including OpenAI, Google, and Meta, who have been vocal about the difficulties of operating under what they describe as a fragmented state-by-state approach. According to industry summaries, a fragmented state-by-state approach hampers innovation, reflecting the tech sector's view that a unified federal framework will enable faster development and clearer compliance pathways. Draft versions of the order reportedly include mechanisms for federal preemption, which would allow the national standards to override conflicting state laws. The order focuses on creating a single approval process for AI systems, which would significantly simplify the regulatory burden on companies developing AI technologies. This represents a major policy shift and signals the federal government's intent to take a more centralized role in how AI is governed across the country. The practical implications would mean companies developing AI products would need to meet one set of federal requirements rather than customizing their compliance strategies for California, New York, Texas, and every other state with its own AI laws. Meta confirmed its acquisition of AI hardware company Limitless on December 8th. This purchase represents a significant strategic move as Meta continues to build out its hardware capabilities, particularly in the realm of AI-powered wearable devices. Limitless specializes in AI hardware manufacturing, and the acquisition gives Meta direct access to expertise and infrastructure for developing personal AI devices. Dan Siriker, the CEO of Limitless, publicly supported the deal, stating, "We share the same vision with Meta to bring personal superintelligence devices to everyone." This alignment of missions suggests that Limitless will play an important role in Meta's broader hardware strategy. Meta has been working on various forms of AI-integrated hardware, from smart glasses to other wearable technology, and this acquisition appears designed to accelerate those efforts. The purchase fits into Meta's longer-term vision of creating devices that can serve as personal AI assistants in physical form. Rather than AI existing solely on smartphones or computers, the company is investing in standalone hardware that can deliver AI capabilities in more integrated and accessible ways. The acquisition of a dedicated hardware manufacturer suggests Meta is serious about vertically integrating its AI hardware production, rather than relying entirely on third-party manufacturers. This could give the company more control over the design, manufacturing, and deployment timeline of future AI wearable products. Google rolled out a refreshed version of its Gemini web interface on December 8th, introducing several user experience improvements aimed at making the platform more intuitive and accessible. The update includes a new dark theme option and a redesigned My Content section that better organizes user-generated materials and AI outputs. One of the key changes is how the interface now prioritizes and displays recently generated content, particularly AI-created images. The new layout makes it easier for users to quickly find and access their latest AI-generated assets. According to summaries of the update, Google's new Gemini web layout focuses on clarity and fast access to generated content, highlighting the company's emphasis on usability. The interface modernization is part of Google's ongoing efforts to refine the Gemini experience across different platforms. By improving readability and streamlining navigation, Google is making it easier for users to work with Gemini's multimodal capabilities, which include both text and image generation. The updates reflect user feedback about the importance of being able to quickly locate and manage AI-generated content, especially as users create more diverse types of outputs. The Dark Theme Edition addresses a frequently requested feature, making the interface more comfortable for extended use and aligning with user preferences that have become standard across many modern applications. The enhanced organization of the My Content section means users can better track their interaction history and revisit previous generations without having to search through cluttered interfaces. These improvements position Gemini as a more polished and user-friendly platform as competition in the AI assistant space continues to intensify. The regulatory developments at the federal level create a foundation for more consistent AI development practices nationwide. Hardware advances through strategic acquisitions enable new form factors for AI interaction beyond traditional screens. Interface refinements make powerful AI tools more accessible to broader audiences. Together, these developments in policy, hardware, and user experience design are expanding how AI systems are governed, built, and used in everyday contexts. Thank you for listening to AI ConvoCast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.